Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw an Among Us Imposter. It's gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be still like just kind of the head area, but I'm gonna have it more of like a smile, but like a really scary smile. So, anyways, let's jump into it. All right. I'm a big Among Us fan, so curve over here for the visor. Curve over. Curve around here. And curve around here. So you have that visor right there, very clear and obvious. Gonna find the top of the head. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Make this the video you subscribe in. A lot of people watch but haven't subscribed, so hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. I post every single weekday, so 5 times a week I have a lesson for you. And it's all going to be like scary related or like bad guy related. I'm going to try to keep it in that theme or monster. Curve on the top. Gonna go over here to the bottom here on this side now, and I'm gonna pull down over here for this side, and I'm gonna pull line down here for this smile up. So this is an imposter, right? So he's the one that opens his mouth and has the sharp teeth. Curve line here. Underneath up. Out. Line down. Line down. Gonna find the backpack. It's about in line with the visor here. Pull out, down. Gonna go over here to, well, I'm gonna find the shine here across the top here. Curve. And then a circle here. Down over here, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. For the teeth. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the edge of the teeth here, and I'm going to find the gum line. Like so. Underneath here, underneath here, underneath here. Finding that gum line there. Line over here. Line over here. Line around the eye over here. Kind of like bagging the eye. Just going to give in some detail that they normally don't have. Curve. Maybe here on the top of the forehead. And making him look a little bit more haggard. Line over here. Maybe a couple lines over here. Those lines are thin. Alrighty. Sorry, the camera wigged out a little bit. Let's get back into this. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to throw like little thin kind of lines here. And those are meant to be more shadow lines to make him look more devious. Right here. It's more of a style thing, right? These lines to kind of get that across. And that's pretty much it, honestly. Kind of thicken out the lines in certain ways here, but that's pretty much it. There you go. That would be an imposter. This time with more of a smile on him. But yeah, hopefully you like that. Like I said, don't forget, let me know what you think. And let's just say hi to me in the comments section if you can hear this, and I will talk to you next time, all right? Stick around for the announcement. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both. But like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later. And hopefully I'll catch you over there later.